Yes, I'm so sorry for that. Am I audible now? All right. Just 1 minute. I'm just sharing my screen. Okay. So before we could start our session, I would like to say something. Like I would like to give you one test that is your personality test. Okay. As everyone joined CloudEdge, why everyone joined CloudEdge? Can you tell me? आप लोग ने CloudEdge क्यों join किया? For the job, and okay. Then tell me one thing. If I ask you a question, okay, everyone is saying job. If I ask you a question, you're learning or you want to learn or you want to earn both. Okay, which is important, learning or earning? Okay. So now when you come to cloud, when you come to IT field, okay, there is lots of learning and there's lots of earning. Okay. So as you grow further in your career, you have to grow and you have to learn and you have to earn as well. Okay. So now this is all about your career. Okay. So I would like to give one personality test so that we can move further with our topic. Okay, and everyone has created the AWS account. Yes, no, maybe no. Okay, so today we'll be creating AWS account so that we can move further with our sessions. Okay, so let's go. Cambridge psychometric test. Okay, you have to give the psychometric test. I'll be sharing the link. This is not the link. Just 1 minute. Psychometric test. Cambridge. Yes. Okay, so I think this is the one. Yes, I'll be sharing the link. Just 1 minute. Can admin share the link? As I'm not able to find it. Personality test. Yes, psychometric test has to be done now so that you will know yourself. Just give me 1 minute. I'm just sharing the link. Cambridge. Just 1 minute. Cambridge. It's about Cambridge. Personality test. Yes, I have found this link. Okay. So when you come to this link, yes, I'll be sharing the link. Just 1 minute to everyone. Okay. So when you come to this link, can you see my screen? So yeah, you have to come here. This is my personality. There are 120. I'll be giving you 25 minutes so that you can start. Okay. So yes, you have to. Everyone has to give the test before we could start the session. Okay. Already done. Everyone has completed the test. Okay. No. Everyone. If everyone has completed the test, please, don't give it back again. But if no, just give the test right now. Okay. So that you will know, and this is something related to your career so that you know yourself where do you stand. Okay, so I would like to say that everyone has to give this test so that we can move further with our AWS creation account. Okay, cool. Yes, I have already shared the link, so you can go through this link. Voice quality is poor. Is it for everyone or for only for Vinayak? Just 1 minute, I'm just checking with my audio. Yes, please. Meanwhile, if I'm checking with my audio, just meanwhile, you can give the test. Okay, where and how to submit the test. Okay, admin will be helping you. Admin, just tell them key how to submit the test. Yeah, the test will be submitted over there only, and I've already shared the link. I'll be sharing it once again.
Okay, am I audible now? Is my voice clear? Yes. Okay. Yes. All right. So today we'll be learning about how to create an AWS account so that we can see the console. And आप लोग ने last time sir ने आप लोग का सबका connection कर दिया था, putty connection. Are you guys were connected to sir's uh, Linux system? Yes. Okay. Cool. So today we'll be creating an AWS account. Okay. So to create an AWS account. So firstly, we would like to we'll go to AWS account. Okay. Everyone can see my screen. Is my screen visible? Yes. Okay. So we'll be going to AWS account. This is my AWS account. See, आप लोग को create AWS account दिख रहे हैं on the right. No voice. सबको आवाज नहीं आ रही है या फिर एक ही को नहीं आ रही है? Voice is still breaking. Just 1 minute. Loud and clear, not clear. Voice is breaking. Just 1 minute. I'm just checking with my 1 minute. 1 minute. Not audible. It's loud and clear. It's loud and clear. Everyone voice is commonly clear. Okay, I think my voice is clear. So please check your internet connection because I'm audible over here for everyone. Okay, all clear. Cool. Cool. So we'll be creating an AWS account. So to create an AWS account, so we'll be logging to AWS account. This is my AWS console. Okay, so on the right corner, do you see create an AWS account over here? Yes, Kia. So on the right side, create an AWS account. Can everyone see the create an AWS account? No, you can create now if you want to, or else you will be getting the recording and you can also create. Okay, so create an AWS account will be okay. Now over here, can you see the root user email address? Yes. Now over here, you have to give your email ID. Okay, so I'll be giving my email ID, that is okay. Yes, I got my email. Yes. Now, after coming here, you have to sign in as a root user email address. You can put your email address or you can create your new Gmail account, okay, or the existing ones. All right. So after that, you have to verify your email. Okay. There's some captcha. M27638. Yes. After verifying the email, you have to go to your email address and put the verification code. Okay. Yes, just going through my email verification code. Screen is stuck. Can you see my screen? I don't know. I'm just facing some internet problem. Just 1 minute. Yes, yes, it's done. Yes. Now you'll be getting. Now you have to verification the code. That's 2W8X4C. Yes. Okay. I'll just waiting for the code. Okay. Cool. You have to create a good strong password, okay, as we are signing into a AWS account, that is our data center. So as the requirements, okay, so you can just put a password, okay, and you need a uppercase, lowercase numbers and non-alphabetical numbers, okay. You can just complete the test, okay, and over there only you can just share, you can take the screenshot of it, okay, and you'll be uploading on your LMS, okay. Yeah, after putting the password, you have to continue. Okay, now okay, now personal, business, which one? What do you guys think? Personal for your work, school, or business? Okay, so will be using for personal. Okay, now full name as I'll put Cloudage for now. Phone number. Okay, I would like not to share my phone number. Just 1 minute. Yes. Uh, Maharashtra and PIN code. Okay, you can give your personal information, that is your phone number, your state, your name. Okay, and you just have to step continue. Okay. Now when you come to this page, okay, after signing this, when you come to this page, you just have to do the next, and when you come to this page, you have to use your credit card, debit card numbers, okay. And in LMS there is no option to upload. Yeah, the admin will be updating you. Just keep the screenshot with you, okay, so the admin will update you. And yeah, when you come to this page, credit card or debit card number, okay, so just I'll just ping in my debit card number, and you have to make a payment of 2 rupees. Okay, it's only 2 rupees for the verification. Okay, great. I'm just putting my details about my debit card, so I won't be sharing the screen. Just yes, your credit card, debit card, only the RuPay card will not work. If you have a RuPay card, it won't work. But you can use other cards, that RuPay card, Visa card. Okay, there are options of cards, so you can use. Okay, so only RuPay card will not work, and there is no option of Paytm, I guess. Yeah, there is no option of Paytm or Google Pay. Okay. Oh yes, I'm just bringing my. You can, yeah, you can create by using Paytm as well. Okay. Yes. Meanwhile, you can just fill the details and come to this page so that we will be together. Okay. I'm just facing some credit card problem, so just give me 1 minute. Okay. So I have entered my email address and all. So yes, you can go further with the payment, and if you have a PAN, you can put the PAN card number, or it's not required. Okay. Yes. I'll be moving further with the second step of a fourth step. Yes, because we'll come to that. Okay. I can't really share this screen, so just 1 minute. Okay. Once you come to this page, there is a mobile number. So for the verification, you have to create so you can just put up your mobile number. I'm just putting my number up so that yes. After the verification of your number, we'll be moving further with AWS account. Yes. Okay. Yes. So we have to select for business option or personal option. We have to select for the personal options. Okay. Everyone has to select with the personal account, not the business account. So once you're done with the verification, I'm not getting calls or SMS. Just check with your number, mobile number, or just check in your email address. Yeah, go to your email address. You'll be getting over there. You have to use your CloudEdge, not CloudEdge, your personal name. Okay. I'm not getting the OTP right now. We are creating an account after session. You can create with me if it's possible for you to, or after the session as well. You can create the account. I'm just waiting for my OTP to come so that we can find out. Yes, I have received the email address. I've received the OTP. Okay, now over here, developer support, no. Are we Govandis? No. Business support, no. So we have to create basic support free account. Okay. Yes. So that is recommended for using new user just getting started with AWS. So we'll be starting with the AWS account and complete sign up. Okay. This is our fifth step. Okay. Once you're done, go to AWS Management Console. Okay. After going here, can you see this signing to console? Okay. Yeah. My role is, my role is, okay. So your role will be, you are a student. Okay. You're a student. You have to click on student and I'm interested in select area. What are we interested in? Big data analytics. All right. Cool. Now you have to submit the, okay. Once you're done with this, now can you see this icon, sign into console? You have to click on sign into console and yeah, you can put your email address over here and you have to select a root user account, not IAM user. You have to use root user account. And over here, just 1 minute, I'm just putting my email address so that it's not visible for you guys. Okay, once you're done with this, you can put a password which you have put already. No, not the password, the captcha, WTTC and PT. Your session starts now. Okay, after the registration of email, after the registration of your AWS account, you can create this account over here and you'll be getting the recording so that you can see. Okay, now this is your AWS account. Now can you see these regions? Okay, what are these regions? What are these regions about? What is this? Like there is Singapore, there's Sydney, there's Tokyo, there's Hong Kong, Asia. What are this? Can anyone tell me? Data center. Okay, yeah, yeah, this is your data center. This is not your AZs. This is your data center. Now AWS created, AWS have their data center over all this region, that is in Virginia, Ohio, North California and all. Now we have to be in Mumbai data center. In the on the Mumbai data center we have to be. Okay, that is over here, Mumbai. Okay, now we have multiple services over here. As we can see, like there's analytics, application integration, AR and VR, AWS console management, blockchain, business analytics, compute, and all these things. Okay, now which we have to choose is the EC2 ones. Okay, that is Elastic Compute Cloud. Okay, now you can choose as Virginia as also. We can also choose Virginia, but we choose AWS for now. Sorry, we choose Mumbai for now. You can also choose, by default is Ohio. You can come to Mumbai region as well, and you can go to any region. Okay, but for now use Mumbai. Okay, as you're practicing, you can use Mumbai. Then as you go further with your courses, you can use North Virginia. It depends on the prices. Okay, when we are taking the machines, now we'll be using the free tier, so that and when you go further with your course, we'll be using big machines like T2, T4. Which service we have to choose? EC2 service. Okay, you have can see over here on the search bar, you can just type EC2. In the EC2 service, we are yeah, in EC2 service, you can come here. Can you see this dashboard? Now we don't have any instance running. The data center is located in Mumbai, and there are various data center which is located in Virginia. As you can see, this is the data centers. Okay. Yes. Now, can you see my dashboard? Yes, this is instance running. There is zero. Okay, placement groups, volumes, everything is zero. We haven't used anything. Now, let's launch some instance so that we can come to the black screen. Okay, like हमारे काले पानी पे हम लोग आ सकते हैं. Now, see, you have to launch an instance. पुट्टी कनेक्शन आपका की बनाना हो चुका है आपका. आप लोग ने सबने की बनाया है. Yes, if okay, no problem. Today we'll be creating key as well. Okay, so to order to create a key, अभी हम लोग आज की बनाते हैं. टू ऑर्डर टू क्रिएट अ की वी हैव टू गो लॉन्च इंस्टेंस. यहाँ पे लॉन्च इंस्टेंस जाना है आपको. एंड वंस यू कम हियर, सी यहाँ पे आपको सिलेक्ट करना है आउट ओल्ड एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस एक्सपीरियंस and over here, so we can choose, see, we have to choose the Ubuntu machine, that is 18.04. Once you learn, just scroll down and can you see this free? So it will not charge anything, so we just have to create a free account. Okay, we are created a free account. So अभी हमको ubuntu server पे click करना है. हमको ubuntu server पे click करना है. Okay, okay, I'll go slow. Okay, ठीक है. I'll go back again. Everyone is here, right? Screen sharing not matching with the voice. Explain from EC2. Okay, now in cloud we have different services. Okay, now what we have to choose is EC2, that is Elastic Compute Cloud. Okay, now you have to go on instance running. There is zero instance over here. Okay, after you now you have to ask, you have to launch instance. Okay, can you see on the right corner we can see launch instance, right? Yes. Once we launch instance, can you see the screen? Choose AWS account, choose AWS machine. And okay, now we have to choose 8.04, 18.04. And we just scroll down and Ubuntu server दिख रहा है आपको यहाँ पे? Yes. Yes, Sandesh will be going with the old new experience as well as we finish the new experience, old experience. Okay. So yeah, आप लोग को ये free tier दिख रहा है. Ubuntu server 18.0 से support all this thing. Okay, support available from Canonical, and you have to choose select. After selecting, okay, now यहाँ पे आप लोग को ये सब दिख रहा है. Instance family, what are this? ये क्या है हमारा? ये आप लोग को instance family दिख रहा है. Okay, so there are families. Okay, see, now we have to use the T2, there's T3, A4. These are your machines. Okay, see, can you see M4 large, M4 extra large, M4 large, and all this thing? Okay, these are the machines which we can be using, but for now we have to go to T2. Okay, we'll be using the free tier account, that is free tier CT2 micro. Okay, for the general purpose we'll be using T2 micro. Okay, after you choose T2 micro, you can just scroll down and you have to choose review and launch. Okay, once you review and launch, and see, T2 micro is our instance, memory 1 GB, and SSH, this is a security group. For now we will not go to the security group. Okay, and launch. Okay, now once you come to the screen, okay, fine, not able to understand. Okay, I'll just go slow again. I'll go back, previous. Yes, now 18.04 we have to choose, and just scroll down. You have to go to Ubuntu server. Okay, आप लोग को अभी सॉरी, मुझे पता नहीं था कि आपको आगे नहीं सिखाना है. So आज का सेशन इतना ही था. Like you just have to create a account for now. Once you create a account, okay, सब लोग ने बना दिया, सब लोग को पता चल गया कैसे बनाना है account. Okay, I'll just explain in short quickly so that we can move. Now आप लोग को बस AWS account create करना है. You have to come to this console, okay? Because यहाँ से आपका सब कुछ start होने वाला है. From tomorrow, your accounts should be activated, okay? And who doesn't have AWS account, you can just create a AWS account, and please use your Visa card. I'm just telling you once in short, in quick. See, Okay, over here you have to create a new account. Okay, create new AWS account. Once you click on this, you have to use your details. Okay, you can use your root and go further with the steps. Okay, ये steps के साथ आपको further जाना है. There are 5 steps. You have to complete all the 5 steps and come to this console. Okay, once you create an account, see, you have to create an account first. Do you want me to share? Do you want me to tell again with how to create an account? Yes, no, everyone, yes. And please use your debit card and all. Okay. Yes, I'll be telling you again so that we can make it quick. Okay. We can use credit card, we can use debit card, but only not RuPay card will not be working. Today, the session will be only for AWS creation for account. Okay. See, for the credit card term, you can use any credit card. Okay. Or you can also use the debit card as well. You can use debit card as well. Okay. But only the RuPay card will not work. You can try with it. Yeah. You have to choose root user. Support plan, you have to choose the basics one. Support plan, you have to choose the basics one. Yes, you can create after the session as well. You'll be getting the PDF by admin, how to create an AWS account. So you can go stepwise, or you can watch this recording again. Okay, why only EC2 and why EC2 only? That you'll be getting to know tomorrow as well. Okay, guys, today we'll be only focusing on the creation of the new account. And if anybody everyone has created the account, you can leave the meeting. And no, if anybody has not created the account, you can just stay here and you can clear your doubts. Okay, so that I'll be helping you. My role and interest, my role will be your student and your interest will be big data admin, big data analytics. And those who have created the account, you can leave the meeting. And those who have not created account and still facing some problems, you can wait here on the chat, or you can I'll be helping you. Okay. And there are admins which will be helping you. Payment is not successful, you can just check with your credit card or debit card. Yeah, about your personality test, take the screenshot and uh, you have to upload it on the LMS. After signing into console, I'll be telling you what you have to do. Now only for today's session is only to create an AWS account. Yes, yes. After launching the instance, okay. So once you launch the instance, I'll be just sharing you what are things which we'll be learning. Okay. See, now there is some instance which is running. Okay. Can you see this instance which is already running on my previous account? All right. Now, see, this has been on for like maybe 2-3 days. I don't know how many days. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, see, can everyone see my screen? यस, अभी देखो यहाँ पे देखो मेरा इंस्टेंस ऑलरेडी लॉन्च्ड है, ठीक है, मैंने ये बंद नहीं किया था. सो देयर आर सम मिस्टेक्स व्हिच वी डू. ठीक है, हम लोग का काम जब खत्म होता है, वी हैव टू, it's a good habit that we just have to terminate the instance. Okay, because if you don't terminate the instance, you'll be getting the bills. Okay, so I'll just show you the bills so that you'll know what are the bills. See, these are the bills which you'll be getting, but you don't have to pay. Don't worry about the bills. Okay, so these are the bills which you'll be paying. You'll not be paying. You don't have to worry about the bills. Okay. So yes, yes. Okay. And yes, you have to terminate the instance every time when you're finished with your work. See, to terminate your instance, this is in running state. So you can just terminate the instance over here. You don't have to pay the bill. Don't worry about the bill. Okay. You'll be applying for the credit soon, but not today. You'll be sharing, the admin will be sharing the link with you for the credits. Okay. But it will not be happen today. Okay. So you have to shut down you have to terminate the instance. Okay. Once you launch, and there are multiple services. No, if you close the instance, the bill will stop. Okay. You just have to terminate the instance. Okay. and see, you'll be getting mails from AWS account to pay your bills, but you have to raise the support tickets, okay, to AWS account to solve your suspension thing, okay, to raise the ticket, but not see, can you see the support? You can just go support center. You have to raise the tickets from here, okay, from support center. Like I'm having some bill issues, and they'll not suspend your account, okay. But for now, for today, you have to create an AWS account so that everyone goes further with tomorrow's session, okay. Yeah, who have not understood the session, so you can just re-listen to the session, or the admins will be helping you, okay. And also your lab sessions will be starting soon, maybe from Monday or tomorrow. So you'll be whatever query you have, you can just solve it, update, okay. Yes, and from if nobody has created the AWS account, please be in the meeting, and who have created the AWS account, you can leave the meeting, okay. And if you have any questions, please ask me. How to launch instance, that will be done tomorrow. About the personality test, you can just submit it and take a screenshot, and it will be you have to upload on LMS, okay. Your session from tomorrow, your session will be taken by Khurram sir. Because Karam sir just told me to take the AWS creation account so that we don't face any problem tomorrow. So everyone has to create the AWS account today only. Okay. Which Linux version should I install? You don't have to install anything. You just have to create account for today. Okay. And from tomorrow, your AWS account, from tomorrow, you have to launch instance. Okay. So that will be told. That will be told by Karam sir from tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Any questions so far? Please ask me regarding this topic of AWS creation account. Not getting AWS verification code. Check your email address. Check your email address for the verification, or just choose your country region, that is India. What role should I select? For the role, you can select student, and uh, already exists. Check with your this thing already. If it's already exists, check try to sign in from the console. That will be upload test on LMS, please guide. We'll update you for that. Today only you have to create AWS account so that we can move further tomorrow with the instance, how to launch the instance, and why to launch the instance, and about the keys and all. We'll be doing it from tomorrow. Now for today, you have to only create an account. Yes, and those user who is facing payment errors, just activate your card and online, and you can use net banking, but net banking as well. Okay. Repeat तो यहाँ पे नहीं होता है. You have to re-watch the session and recording. The lecture will be uploaded maybe today only itself. I'll talk with the admin to upload it soon. Okay. So now just create an AWS account. If any problems you guys are facing, just putti kal hoga. I have not shared the screen yet. I have not shared the screen. I have stopped sharing it. So not getting any payment window. Okay. And yes, about your personality test, just keep a screenshot. Will be sharing a form with you. Okay. Yes, just keep the screenshot. We'll be sharing the form with you. Your service is sign up is almost complete. Thanks for signing up with the Acer. Your service may take up to 24 hours if you're unable to create. It's saying verify your credit card information is correct. Just check with your credit card. For the instance, it will be help like by it will be sir will be telling you tomorrow. And on the LMS, you'll be getting how to create an AWS PDF. So you can refer to the PDF as well, or you can also refer to the lecture. Yes, for this today's session is about only AWS creation account. We should select root user. Okay, today only AWS account creation. Today, you should select the root user. Okay, not IAM. Yes, you can leave the session if once you're done with your AWS creation account. And if anybody is facing some problems, just let me know. Still not getting AWS verification code payment, just recheck your card details and also check with your email ID. If you're not getting the verification, check with your email ID. Okay. PAN card is not mandatory. If you want to put, you can put. It's not mandatory. It's optional. So you don't have to put a PAN card number. Yes, you have to use on root user email ID. Yeah, the same one where you created the AWS account. Is it take 24 hours? Like, no, it doesn't take 24 hours to activate. It almost take like a half an hour, 15-20 minutes max. Payment done, but not getting verification code after payment. Check with your email, or just check with the country which you selected, United States, or maybe you selected United States. Email ID which you use to create an account, you have to use that. PAN card, no. About a personality test, you can just give the personality test. So, and you can just take a screenshot after once you're done with the test and keep it with you. We'll be uploading a form with you on your AWS account. Yeah, why AWS account is it's a good question. Why AWS account is required? See, will be working on the cloud. Okay. Now there are different types of clouds, that is Microsoft, GCP, and AWS. AWS, the one which we'll be using. Okay, because we'll be working on the cloud. Payments method cannot be verified. I think there's some problem with your credit card number. Okay, just recheck with your verification. Just check with your details, because that should not be the problem. Yes. About the login issues, recheck your what you have put, because login should be not the problem. Okay, for the login you have to use root. Okay, once you I'll just share my screen, just 1 minute. Yes, once you come here, once your account is created, you have to sign into console. Okay, and you don't have to choose IAM role, you have to choose root user. And over here, root user email address, whichever email address you have put on while creating your AWS account, you can put that. Okay, if you have already created a new AWS account, you can just leave the sessions. Okay, you can rewatch the today's session was only about to create how to create AWS account, and which we already told you. So you can rewatch the session, or you will be getting the PDF as well. Okay, cool. Okay, you can, for Zoom meeting, you can just contact to admin. Okay, credit card information supported. Choose your different accounts, choose your debit card or credit card. So updated the credit card. Recheck with your account. Verification code nahi. No, when you are placing this in the company, you don't have to use your personal account. There'll be an account already existing in the company. Yes, your service sign up is almost complete. Got this error after clicking EC2. Yes, it takes time. It takes at least 15-20 minutes to go with the EC2 service. Okay, for the resources. Yes, we have to go for AWS create account, new account. Yes, I think everyone got how to create an account. So we'll be ending the meeting. All right. Bye bye.